Hello. So I'm starting this set with the nails already prepped, primed and ready to go. So I'm applying a thin layer of crystal glass on each individual nail. I'm using my Alpha number 8 brush. So here I'm taking ash from CJP. I'm just making an ombre nail. And on top I'm going to be using a soft beige from Naio nails. This nail over here is going to be a full nail with the crystal glass, because on top we're going to have some gel polish, a dark gray one. This one will be the same like the pinky one, with ash at the free edge and then soft beige at the cuticle area. Going back to the pinky, as the ash acrylic powder is all set, so I can create my ombre fade now. Oh, and the tips that I'm using are from Glitter Fairy. They're the pre-pinched square tips. I've just took the length down and I haven't shaped them. We're gonna go for a square shape, but I haven't shaped them yet. I'm gonna do that at the end. This is gonna be a full nail with ash. Trying to make it as thin as possible because I'm gonna encapsulate it, and I don't want it to look really thick and bulky. Just taking a bit more around the cuticle area so I can create my apex. This one is the same, gonna be an ombre one. This set is quite straightforward. I don't know what to say much. I'm just gonna let you watch most of it. Here I'm gonna encapsulate it I'm gonna focus more where that blend is, because I don't wanna, where that fade is between the colors, because I don't wanna end up filing that. Same on this one. Okay, so apparently I've already shaped and buffed every single nail. So here I'm using some silver stripping tape, really thin one. I'm just gonna make a sort of a design on this nail. Oh, and by the way, that cut that my friend has at this finger, I did not make it. She came like that. I don't know what she did, but she came like that. I'm pressing it down so it sticks really well. And then when I'm gonna come with my top coat, I'm gonna apply a quite thickish layer just so it holds it there. Here, apparently off camera, I've applied some gel polish. I can't remember exactly which one, so I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. And I'm using a bit of some transfer foil, just randomly. Oh, here I'm using a bit of glue and I'm applying some really tiny rhinestones, some Swarovski ones. So after I've done all of that, I am making sure that all the nails are dust free, and I'm using my top gloss from CJP on every single nail. And then I'm gonna cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Oh, and this video was done quite randomly. This is just, I'm doing my friend's nails, so I didn't think to film or anything, so we just popped the camera and that was it. So I didn't have time to do any to fix the light or to use a nice background or anything. We just randomly did it. So here they are. I really hope you like them. I really enjoyed doing them. They're tiny and cute, and my client, my friend, she really loved them. So if you do like it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see many more videos from me. Bye bye.